guys, this is Braden with MarineMax, Panama City Beach. We're sitting here in front of a 2021 Sailifish 275 dual console. She's powered with twin 200 XCAs, digital throttle. This boat is ice blue, color match to the hardtop, sure shade, windlass anchor. Let's step on in and see what it's all about. As you can see, guys, this boat is equipped with a custom sea deck, full wet bar. It's got a grill, refrigerator. You can see it's got a lounge seat. You can go all the way back and lay down. You can just lounge, or you can fit two people on either side, maybe three. These have plenty of storage. As you can see here, you got an insulated box. You've got one up front here too as well. Right, as you can see here, this has a large marine head overboard discharge, chlorine countertops, equipped with freshwater shower. As you can see in there, you've got your bow table. It also doubles as a transom table if you guys are hanging out in the back at the island, grilling out and having a good time. This boat is equipped for fishing also. You've got a transom live well, Optimus joystick steering. It'll hold you in your spot over a wreck. 12-inch Garmin. You got your Yamaha gauges, upgraded Fusion sound system with the kick butt stereo system, speakers, VHF. All right, guys, if you come to the bow, you'll see you've got two insulated boxes. You can use it for storage, drinks, whatever you may have. If you look on either side, you've got two power points, two nice large speakers so you can hear the music. As you're sitting down here in the bow, you can have a good sense of safety. Take your kids out, enjoy the run, not have to worry about them going overboard. Again, guys, this is Braden with MarineMax in Panama City Beach. I appreciate your time today. Give us a call, 727-744-7304.